In this video we are talking about if Avax can continue the bullish momentum to the upside or if we see a move to lower levels again. As you can see, we are seeing this bullish explosion now for Avax, and in the last video we were at this prices right here. We broke the supply zone to the upside, and I said the chances high that we can continue the bullish momentum to the upside, and I said that the chances high that we came back into this demand zone, and if we're seeing a bullish reaction right here, I would enter a trade and hodl it into the next highs. I will show you now the clip from the last video. But if you're not in a trade right now, then I think this demand zone is very interesting, because from this demand zone we saw this push to the upside, and we right now got some rejection right here, which is a really good sign. So if we are coming back into this demand zone again and see a bullish reaction on the smaller time frame, then I would search for long entries right here. And if we are seeing a signal, I would enter a trade and hodl it into the next highs to continue the bullish trend. And as you can see, we came back into this demand zone. We took out some liquidity right here with this wick. Then we saw directly this bullish candle, and then we moved to the upside again. So congrats to everybody who took a trade here on Avax. And if you want to have daily updates on the crypto market or altcoins like Avax, then join my free Telegram group. You will find the link in the description. And as I also said in the last videos, if we're breaking this supply zone to the upside, that then the chance is extremely high that we see an explosion for Avax. And right now, as you can see, we are seeing this strong bullish momentum to the upside because we don't have any levels right here. So the chances high that we can go directly to the upside with bullish momentum. But of course there's also much place for a retracement. And after this explosive move to the upside, the chance for a retracement is there. But as long as we are continuing with this bullish momentum, and right now we are clearly in a bullish trend with higher lows all the way and higher highs. And as long as we continue this trend and make a higher high right here, then I think the chance is high that we see even higher prices for Avax. But if we're breaking this demand zone here to the downside, then I think the chance is high that we see a larger retracement. But as long as we don't break this demand zone right here, then I think the chance is high that we see a bullish continuation to the upside. But if anything interesting happens for Avax, I will make a video. So subscribe to this channel to don't miss the next update on Avax. So all in all, we are seeing this bullish momentum right here. And right now we don't see any bearish signs right here. But of course the chance after this explosive move for a retracement is there. And we have much space here for a bigger retracement. But as long as we don't break this demand zone to the downside, then I think the chance is high that we will see even higher prices, especially if Bitcoin is also going to the upside. So this was it for this video. Thank you really much for watching. I wish you great profits at trading and see you in the next one.